Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our video of our tool sale, our curios, everything that you would need and everything that you don't need. So I invite you to come along to this one. It's on Tuesday evening the 16th, viewing Saturday and Sunday 11 till 4, Monday 11 till 6. Here's one of our star attractions in there. There we go, save yourself £1,000 or so buying that one. It's just newly serviced. So look up our times, see what times we're open. Our salvage yard will be open as well. I'm just doing a quick video just to let you see the items that will be in. We're a little bit late getting this one out, as we say, we're just playing catch up, but looks like we will be back to normal in the next few weeks, which I'm entirely grateful for, and to all the staff who have given their time freely as well. I really appreciate it all. We have the butcher's bike, the postman's bike, and two other people's bikes. I don't know who they belong to. We have air tools, etc. Nice pictures. We have a farm and chess set. All these lovely things. Baby sham glasses and stuff. There we go. Lots of good things. The one-wheeled unicycle. Have a look online, see what we have. Sale starts 6:30 on Tuesday evening. 90% of the sale is non-reserved, so it should be a good sale, ladies and gentlemen. Some good things there. Pictures by T-Train, etc. Galvanised pots, director's seats, signs, tools, washers, bicycles, lots of gardening stuff this time. Tools under the table, there we go, lots of them. Gardening tools, modern, old, caravan step, etc. There we go, and of course oh, my brain's just gone. The plan chest. We've got seats, mulchers, Vaxes, massive battery chargers, barbecues, large garden seats there, and table. We have all the usual things, including a snowblower. It's a bit funny at this time of year, but there it goes. Look at all these lovely plants and mushroom topped items, plant pot holders, you name it. We try and get it for you. We have approximately 280 lots starting at 6:30 sharp on Tuesday. If you can't manage to come along and see us, join us on the internet and Easy Live, because we'll be there as well. There we go. Vetriano there, grab yourself a bargain. I haven't quite finished cleaning up, but we're getting most of the stuff online for you tonight. Thank you to everybody who stayed back and helped us get there. There's a John Begg, took a peg of Begg whiskey jug, quite rare. And if you don't know, the John Begg blend is made with the Royal Lochnagar whiskey up in Lochnagar by Balmoral. There we go, bit of local knowledge. Lots of more tools, signs, etc. And of course in June, I'm not sure of the date yet, either the first Saturday or the second Saturday in June, to be decided shortly, we will be bringing you our vintage antique sale, one of the best ones of the year again, along with lots of items, including mid-century furniture, Erco day beds, lots of things like that. So letting you know what we have here. These are the brand new ones, look, genuine, not reproductions. Some nice pictures, a good mix for everybody to come along, have a look, see what you think. We will do our best. Let's go down here. Now the pass load guns, they're for spares or repairs, ladies and gentlemen. Don't look like they have any batteries, so just be aware. Come in, satisfy yourself, or ask for a condition report if that's what you need. We will do our best to answer you, but we get thousands of requests, and sometimes we don't have time to answer them all. So you know the phone number, give us a phone, we can check something out, we can give you details on it. So lots of different bits and pieces there, very exciting. So we'll look forward to seeing you all Saturday, Sunday, 11 till 4. And also on Monday, 11 till 6. Tuesday, 11 till 6:30. When the sale starts, you can leave commission bids, you can come in and bid live. You can even go online and bid. There's the old teacher's blackboard. I must do better, usually written on that when I seen it. So that just gives you a quick video just to see what we've got, ladies and gentlemen. And it'll be ending with our star attraction, this Stigger Estate 3084H. Hardly used, but there it is. I mean, if you look at the tyres, the knobbles are still on them. It's like brand new. These are approximately 2,200, 2,300 new. It's been sitting for a few months, but it has had a recent service just before that. So come in, see what you think, and save yourself a fortune. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you, and see you soon.